What if I told you that you could learn any skill? Coding, investing, English, video editing, or even starting a business 10 times faster than most people. Not by grinding harder, not by watching endless courses, but by using AI the right way. Most people are using AI like Google. That's why they're stuck. Today, I'll show you a simple AI learning system that actually works. And step 4 is where almost everyone messes up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in the AI era, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Because let's be real, AI is not going away, and the people who learn how to use it properly will win. Let's get into it. Why traditional learning is too slow? Think about how people usually learn. Long courses, one-size-fits-all teaching, too much theory, no real feedback. You watch a 10-hour course and forget most of it within a week. That's not your fault. That's how the system is designed. AI changes this completely because AI adjusts to your level, explains things your way, gives instant feedback, never runs out of patience. That alone makes learning faster than anything we've ever had before. Turn AI into your personal tutor. Most people ask AI questions like, teach me coding, explain the stock market. That's weak. You need to assign AI a role. Here's the exact prompt you should use. Act as a world-class teacher. I am a complete beginner in skill. Teach me from zero to advanced using simple explanations, real examples, and short exercises. Ask me questions and correct my mistakes. Now AI becomes your private tutor, available 24/7, customized just for you. If something feels confusing, just say, explain this like I'm 12. No ego, no embarrassment, just clarity. Learn by doing, not watching. Here's a rule you should never forget. Watching equals entertainment. Doing equals learning. Instead of binge-watching tutorials, use AI to force action. Examples. Learning coding? Ask AI for mini projects. Learning English? Ask AI to role-play conversations. Learning trading? Ask AI for market scenarios. Learning content creation? Ask AI for daily challenges. Use this prompt. Create a 30-day learning plan with daily practical tasks that increase in difficulty. This turns learning into a daily habit, not passive consumption. That's how progress compounds. Kill confusion. Immediately. Most people quit because of confusion. One concept doesn't make sense. Frustration, quitting. AI eliminates this. Anytime you're stuck, ask, explain this with a real-world analogy. Give me a visual example. What mistakes do beginners make here? Why does this work, and when does it fail? Instead of searching YouTube for hours, you get answers in seconds. That alone can make you 5 times faster than average learners. Use AI as a practice partner. Most important, this is where people fail. They learn information, but never practice under pressure. AI can simulate real-life situations. Examples. Sales. AI acts as a difficult customer. Job interviews. AI acts as the interviewer English. AI corrects grammar live trading psychology. AI simulates emotional losses. Use this prompt. Act as a strict coach. Don't be nice, correct my mistakes, and push me to improve. This creates deliberate practice, the same method used by professionals. That's how skills actually stick. Learn only what actually matters. Here's a harsh truth. You don't need to learn everything. You need to learn the right things. Ask AI. What are the top 20% skills in field that give 80% of results for beginners? AI cuts out useless theory, outdated methods, fancy but low-value topics. You focus only on high-impact skills. That's how learning becomes fast and profitable. Test yourself daily using AI. If you're not testing yourself, you're lying to yourself. Use AI to create quizzes, Ask scenario-based questions. Increase difficulty automatically. Prompt, test me on what I learned today. Increase difficulty if I answer correctly. This locks information into long-term memory. No guessing. No fake progress. Learn faster by teaching with AI. The fastest way to learn? Teach while learning. Use AI to help you. Write Twitter threads. Create LinkedIn posts. Make YouTube scripts. Explain ideas simply. Teaching exposes gaps in your knowledge, and AI helps you fix them fast. This doubles your learning speed. AI is a multiplier. If you're lazy, AI makes you lazier. If you take action, AI makes you unstoppable. Don't just ask AI questions. Build a learning system with it. Comment below. What skill are you trying to learn right now? I'll reply with a custom AI learning prompt just for you. Like the video, subscribe, and remember, the future doesn't belong to the smartest people. It belongs to the fastest learners.